Hello student, myself Anil Dobriyal student. Today we will do exercise 3.2 of trigonometry, and this exercise is very good. So what is the question number 1 in this exercise? We have given cos x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, and where x lies in third quadrant, and we have to find other trigonometric ratios in it. So first of all, we know that we have given cos theta or cos x is equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. So we study in class 10 that cos x is based upon hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. So first of all, we will make right angle triangle. Here this is theta, so it will 1 and it will 2. Now we will find its perpendicular, and it is coming root 3. Root 3 is coming. Then now we will find sin theta. So sin theta is always equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and because quadrant is third quadrant, so sin will come negative. We know all add sugar to coffee rule. According to that, sin is negative in third quadrant, so we will take negative sign. So it is coming root 3 upon 2. Again we have to find tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base, so a perpendicular is root 3 and upon 1, so it will come root 3, and it is in third quadrant, and according to that rule, tan theta is positive in third quadrant, so this value will positive. Tan theta is inverse of cot theta, so it will come 1 upon root 3. Now we will find sec theta. Sec theta is inverse of cos theta, so it cos theta we have here minus 1 upon 2, so it will 2 upon minus 1, so it will be minus 2. The value will be minus 2. Cosec theta, we the inverse of sin theta, we have value of sin theta here, so cosec theta will be 2 upon minus root 3. Again we have another question of the type. In this we have given sin x is equal to 3 upon 5 and x lies in second quadrant. So first of all, we will draw a right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle, and this is also a right angle triangle, and in which we have given 3 upon 5. So sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and by Pythagoras rule we will find its base. So it is coming 4. Now we will find cos x. So cos x is always based upon hypotenuse, so 4 upon 5, and the quadrant second, and in second quadrant cos theta is negative, so it will be minus 4 upon 5. Tan theta perpendicular upon base, so it will come minus 3 upon 5, because in second quadrant we discuss in our class what is the rule. 3 upon it will come minus 3 upon 4. Cot is always inverse of sine, so it will be minus 4 upon 3, and sec is minus 5 upon 4, and cosec is inverse of sine, so it is 5 upon 3. So this is the question. Now I am taking one more question about type, so that everything will be clear. So this is the question. We have given tan x is minus 5 upon 12 and x lies in the second quadrant. So first of all, we will draw right angle triangle. In every question, first of all we will draw right angle triangle, and first of all we will find all the sides, two sides. In type of the question we have given, we will find third side by Pythagoras theorem, and then we will consider about the other thing. So here when we are applying Pythagoras theorem, so its base is coming, its perpendicular coming 5, so sin x is 5 on 13 perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and this quadrant is second quadrant, and sin is always positive in second quadrant. Add sugar to coffee, so sin will positive by this rule. Cos x is base upon hypotenuse, so it will come minus 12 upon 13, because in second quadrant cos is always negative. Cot x is always inverse of sin, tan, so it will be minus 12 upon 5. Sec is always inverse of cos, so it will come minus 30 upon 12, and cosec is inverse of sine, so it will come 5 upon 13. So we have discussed about every type of the question from this exercise. Thank you very much.